What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we are going to be installing some downpipes for an AMG G63 from Redstar exhaust. So let's go get these things installed and then let's hear what it sounds like afterwards. So guys, we are done installing the downpipes from Redstar. I think it's time to go give it a couple revs, maybe even a pull. And I also want to give you guys a soundbite of what it sounded like from the factory so you can hear the difference. But as always, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.